test after test. All Lord knows I can't attest to these damn things that I must carry. I ain't your enemy, but you know what this world did to me, and I just can't help but be like this. Forgive me, mama, for all of them drama that I be causing you lately. You know that I can't let it go, let it go. You know I still hope that I can make my way back, 'cause you know I love you. Fucking with some things that I don't really wanna conceal. You know what the deal is. You know that I can't be the one you know no more. I can't be the one you know anymore. I've been through too much. This fragile heart of mine is in pieces all the time, and I don't know how to heal myself. So fuck it, if I gotta let go, then so be it.